In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a chatbot to your website seamlessly. If you're looking to level up your customer interaction and provide instantaneous support, this is the perfect way to do it. We'll walk through the process, ensuring that by the end, you'll have a functional chatbot ready to assist your visitors. First things first, the magic of a chatbot begins with getting your chatbot code. There are several free services out there that can help you with this. A few popular ones include Talk.to, Tidio, and Crisp. They're pretty straightforward to use. Once you sign up for a service of your choice, you'll need to head over to what's often referred to as the Install or Widget section of their platform. Here, you'll find the chatbot's embed script. Think of this script as a small block of JavaScript code. It might sound technical, but don't worry, it's manageable. This piece of code is essential as it's the backbone of your chatbot integration. Now that you've got your hands on this code, it's time to weave it into the fabric of your website. For today's demonstration, we'll be using Hostinger as our web platform, but generally, this process will be similar for other platforms as well. To kick things off, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're in, look for your website on the dashboard and click on Edit Website. This will direct you to your site editor where the real work happens. You'll need to focus on the footer of your page, the section at the bottom. Often, users seek help or support links here, making it a strategic place for our chatbot. On the left sidebar of your editor, you'll find an option labeled Add Elements. Go ahead and click on this. From here, what we're after is an embed code block. Simply drag this block down to your footer area where you want the chatbot to appear. With the embed code block in place, click on the Enter Code option. This is where you'll introduce the chatbot script you grabbed earlier. Paste the script into the field provided. You might be wondering, what happens next? You're almost there. The final touch is selecting Embed Code to confirm your entry. After embedding your script, remember to hit Publish. This step ensures your chatbot is live and ready to interact with users on your website. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now successfully added a chatbot to your website, enhancing the user experience and providing excellent customer service. Enjoy your new tool as it helps engage, assist, and improve interaction with your website visitors. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or check out additional resources linked below. Thanks for watching and happy chatting!